Rotoboss troubleshooting. Issue. Adjustment knob comes off. Here are the corrective actions you can take to solve this issue. We will be using the original Rotoboss in this demonstration, but these steps are applicable to any roller rotary attachments. First, reattaching the adjustment knob. Find the set screw somewhere between the two rubber O-rings. Loosen it first with a 1.5mm screwdriver. Reposition the knob, then tighten the set screw. This is applicable to the slider adjustment knob as well. These are all the corrective actions you can take for the adjustment knob coming off. For any questions, please leave a comment down below, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more rotary videos.